Oh, I got my... Oh, there we go. I had my lens on. Right now we're about to enter the Cleveland Zoo. And as I forgot, hello YouTubers, I'm Mr. Digital 45 and we're about to enter the zoo. I'll give you more as we go along. Alright YouTubers, we're going through the rainforest first. And this is the entrance and we go this way. So I'll show more once we get to the rainforest. Huh. It's cool. It's got all these little plaques going through here. As you can see, I don't want to waste all my camera, huh? And we'll be going in here in a minute. So, here we go. I thought that was it. I don't see him out. Looks like they're not in there. Oh, yeah, he's right there. He's up there.
I'm blind, so I can't see.
It's like it's in the corner.
He's black and white.
He's up there in the corner. Oh, we got this giant tree that we'll be going up into. We're in the rainforest part. There's only one way up. And you can see it's really cool, huh? The family's over there reading something. I'm showing what it looks like inside the rainforest part. And we're gonna go up these stairs, and I'll show you when we get to. Well, I'll film going up these stairs.
I think it might have shot.
Be careful. Around the stairs. Around circles.
You might hit your head. Be careful.
Whoa. Whoa.
This is what happens when talking.
And we're coming out of the top over here.
What a day to be tall. Jimmy's butt was in my face for a second. Ever since his butt's always in my face. Every time we go, I go.
And then we can take a look over, down below.
Hold on, I'm looking at him.
Go around this way.
Oh wait, Christina's taller
They're
than
going
you?
there. They're coming this way. You go that way. Then we go around.
Yeah, Stan, that's crazy.
Then we go around. Around and around, out we come, nobody knows. Alright, be positive.
Oh my god, I'm here.
Everybody say hi.
Come on.
Alright, there's a porcupine. Is that a porcupine? Yeah, don't get too close, you'll shoot his quills at you. I know.
Spiders.
Yeah. Flamingo. Looks like. Happy Day would say. There's a type of flamingo right there. They're not flamingos. Them ain't flamingos, that's some other kinds. Oh yeah, they're right there in the water.
Oh my god, he's huge. Oh, is there another one?
Yeah, there's two of them. There's two in the water.
Oh my god, there's a little one. I'm short, bro. I can't see.
Ooh.
There's a bird.
Wow.
What is it? There's a bird right there. Did she breathe it out? It just flew. No, he's flying. They fly everywhere.
I don't know if that's a parrot over here.
You did? Yes, I did.
Right there.
But it wasn't that color. It was the rainbow one. Oh, God. There's a bird right there.
Woman just got scared because.
You scared me.
Oh, the turtle! Hey, 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 turtles! They're right there.
Oh, yeah.
They're on top. They're mating. They're mating. They're mating. They're mating.
What?
Okay, we got some mating turtles. You did? You can't stop nature. Anteater viewing. Yeah.
Oh, an anteater? Oh,
It's right here.
in front of you.
Right here in front of you.
Michael. Wait, don't you have like the little anteater thing?
Oh
Look at his face.
He's so
That's his nose.
freaking fluffy.
He's sleeping.
Yes. What's in here?
We gotta go that way. I just want to see what's in here, though. Oh!
It's also on.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh, I couldn't see it for a second.
He's super cute.
Looks like it's coming from.
I got another leopard. These are leopards, I think. Very beautiful cat. You know, I love cats. I'm a dog person too, but wild cats. I just love them. Hi, kitty. Yep, we're having fun here at the zoo, people. Not bad. Not bad for a start. Now we got some monkey. I don't know where the sign is. I'll tell you what, it's right here.
The monkey.
Right there.
Hello, monkey.
He's right there. Yeah.
Look, there's a monkey. Oh my Jesus! It's a monkey. It's a
Baby.
Oh my Jesus! The monkey hurt it. Why so long?
A monkey and a mother and her baby. Some more of them. You got that one, you got that one, and you got the baby.
It's in Francisco. Jimmy.
You got the monkey. What kind? Okay, it tells you what it is.
Yeah, it's in Francisco.
Logger. Okay. Bronchios Langer monkey? That's what they are. Now we got some orangutans. Clyde. Right turn, Clyde. Hey, it's like right turn, Clyde.
He's side-eyeing.
He's side-eyeing. He's side-eyeing.
Right turn, Clyde.
Can you wait?
That one's sleeping. That one's
They're lazy.
They just like me. They're like, fine, we need you.
Otters, you babies.
Now we got the otters. From orangutans to otters. One's swimming. Oh, watch them swim. He's showing off.
He's showing off. He's a little. I want to get a picture of Beauty.
He's a showboater. He's showing off.
Look at that one.
Oh, I just look at one that just came out. They're so quick.
Alright, we're in the portion where we got frogs and some snakes probably coming up. Bats. These are poison dirt frogs. They're looking at over here. But I think these are the bats. Oh yeah, bats. And there they are, hanging. Hanging. I don't know if I am getting them. Look. Bats. A lot of bats. Hanging around together. One's climbing around. He's hiding. Making bats. Alright, we got a crocodile, a dwarf crocodile. Molly's right up there. His eyes just open. I know we're watching you. You see me, I know. Yeah, well, look, his eyes just open. Like he knew we were watching. We're watching. Alright, we got a crocodile, a dwarf crocodile. Molly's right up there. His eyes just open. I know we're watching you. You see me, I know. Yeah, well, look, his eyes just open. Like he knew we were watching. We're watching. We got some box turtles. We got a big plate of lettuce, and they're just going to town on it. Show how rainforest goes.
Well, for some reason, or maybe it was a new word. Maybe not because they're new here, but I remember coming here with the Rainforest. When they came, when they're here first for Grandma and Grandpa's fixed wedding. Now, how was it that? I don't know, but I remember that was the first time.
Right, just show how rainforest they go guys. Sounds like it's raining. Just show you how it rains in the shop. That can last a long time. I said, I mean, in real life, it will last like a couple of days. It can last for a couple of days straight rain, right? Alright, that's what it looks like when it rains in the rainforest. Real good seeing. Alright.